Hi there. Okay, so earlier I introduced to you the topic of elements of poetry. We briefly talked about rhyme, repetition, and alliteration, and I told you we were going to talk about each one of these a little bit more. Well, today I would like to really focus on rhyme. Can you say rhyme? Rhyme. All right, let's get started. Rhyme. Words in a poem that have the same ending sound, okay? Same ending sound. These words are usually found at the end of a line in the poem, all right? So here's my little example. Cat sat. What is the rhyming sound that you hear in cat sat? It's at. So we hear the at family, right? This is an at family word, both of these. Cat sat, at, right? Okay. So what I'd like to do now is I have a couple of words right here that I'm going to hold up, and I want you to give me a thumbs up for yes, that rhymes, or no, that doesn't rhyme, okay? So, wig, wig. Does wig rhyme with pig? Wig, pig. Do they rhyme? Thumbs up or down? Yes, good job. They do rhyme. Excellent. Rug, rug. Does rug rhyme with wet? Rug, wet. Thumbs up or down? They do not rhyme. Nope. Does wet rhyme with pet? Wet, pet. Wet, pet. Do they rhyme? Thumbs up. They do rhyme. Good job. Does tag rhyme with bug? Bug. Tag, bug. They both have a G at the end. Do they rhyme? No, that's not the same sound. This is ag, and this is bug, ug. Tag and bug do not rhyme. Even though they both have a G, that doesn't matter. It's not the same sound. This is ug, and this is ag. Bug, tag. They do not rhyme. Thumbs down. Okay, let's see. Does bug rhyme with rug? Bug, rug. Bug, rug. Thumbs up, they do rhyme. Excellent job. What about this? Tall. Does tall rhyme with call? Tall, call. Thumbs up, they do rhyme. Good job. All right, that was just a quick little thumbs up, thumbs down for some rhyming words. I hope that made sense, and I hope you liked that little quick activity. What I'd like to do next is show you a little cut and paste. Well, it's really going to be a drag and drop. We're going to have our activity later that's very similar, so on the next slide I really need you to pay attention. All right, so here's a little drag and drop. Okay, so right here I have this picture. It's sad, right? It's a sad face, sad. And this is a picture of a crab, okay? So I have AD. Now, do you see this right here? This little box is going to focus on rhyming words that have ad at the end, ad at the end. And then this right here, this little box is going to have words that rhyme at the end with ab, okay? So let's focus on sad. Actually, let me take it back a little bit. Let me tell you what each picture is. This is a picture, a mad picture, mad. This is grab, like the hand is grabbing something, grab. This is a notepad, a pad. So notepad, and then this is a picture of a cab. So, this box is going to be number 1. This box is going to be number 2. So as I say each picture, I want you to hold up your fingers to the screen for 1. Like this picture goes in number 1. Or if you think this picture goes in number 2, then you give me number 2, okay? So I would like for you to show me. This is for the ad, and this is for the ab. Where does this picture of mad go? Does it go in box 1 or box 2? It's going to go in box 1 because we have sad and mad. Do those words have the same sound at the end? They do. All right, let's go to grab. Grab. Now, is this picture going to go in box 1 for ad or box 2 for ab? Grab. Grab. It's going to go in box 2. Good. It is crab, grab. They have the same ab, same sound at the end. Excellent. All right, let's do this one. So we have notepad. Is notepad going to go in box 1 or box 2? It's going to go in box 1, notepad. So we have sad, mad, notepad. They all have the same sound, which is ad, ad. Good job. Now we have cab. Is cab going to go in box 1 or box 2? It's going to go in box 2. We have crab, grab, and cab. What sound is at the end of all 3 of these words? Ab. It has ab, right? Okay, so like I said, this is going to be an activity that you're going to be doing by yourself here in a little bit. I mean, it's not going to have ad and ab. It's going to have some different pictures, but it's going to be the same thing, okay? So I hope that this made sense to you and that you enjoy this little activity over rhyming words. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's little lesson over rhyming words.